Tonight I made this awesome chicken pizza casserole. You have to check it out. As always, the full recipe will be at the end of the video. Start out with 2 shredded chicken breasts, and I just cooked mine in my Instapot. Comment below if you want to know how. Then I mixed in a cup of Rayo's marinara. Top that with some mozzarella cheese. Then I decided to use this Flavor God pizza seasoning and some of the garlic lovers seasoning. Then top with whatever pizza toppings you like. Tonight we used mushroom, pepperoni pepper, jalapeno, some diced pepperoni, and then top that with some more mozzarella cheese and some shredded Parmesan. Then you bake that in the oven at 400 for about 30 minutes. Be sure to check the link in our bio for a recipe group on Facebook. Also follow us on Instagram.